welcome back to another episode of Mama and
Hero.
welcome to our welcome to our channel. Yay! Okay, so today's episode we are going to show you what's in our fridge and cupboard. Yeah, guys, mo ni among fridge, guys. So kani siya, before we open, kani siya, this is a fridge magnet. I bought this when I was in London 2016. And this is the elephant. I bought this, Hailey, when your daddy and I went to Knowsley Safari. And this one when Mommy went to Boracay in 2016. Or it could be 2015. Let's have a look. So, mo ni among freezer. This is freezer, guys. And this is fridge. So, let's start here. Kani diri, guys, mga cheese and mga sauce. Gikan sa McDonald's. And here, we've got two types of milk. We've got skim milk Cravendale. And we have this one, Cravendale as well. But this is whole milk. This is for Hailey alone. And this is for Dada and Mommy. And this is Hailey's water. She likes cold water. And hey, when we have waffle, we eat this together with, it's called dairy cream, spray cream. And here, guys, muna mga sauce, guys, or ketchup. And we have this old face mask from Korea. It's called ginseng. And mga sauce again, Japanese sauce, Thai sauce, sriracha, and over there's another sauce. Here, another milk kasi daddy gikan siya nag-shopping. So another milk. We've got gochujang because we like Korean. Oopsie. We like Korean sauce. We got burger from Iceland. And we've got here, what do we have here, Hailey? We've got butter, 2 butters. We've got spreadable and light butter. Right? And we've got lemon. This is to use for pancakes. And this is Caleb and Hailey's vitamins. We've got Caesar salad. And we've got butter. And we've got basil over here. We use that for Thai food. And we've got coriander. And Hailey loves kiwi. What else? We've got big grapes here. Big grapes. And Daddy. And we've got mushrooms as well. And then Mommy's cheese. Everyone's cheese. And Hailey's cheese. Another milk over there. And then we've got yogurt. We've got big cheese. We've got another grapes. And we've got ham. And here another. This is Caleb's milk. We've got talong, guys. And then another mushrooms, Hailey. And Hailey's yogurt. And then some pork sausage rolls. And pork pies. And we've got cola over here. We've got that. And we've got some veggies. Spinach and some veggies over there. And then here as well, we've got corn. Oh, Daddy bought corn. And some peppers. Oh. Guys, we use this when it's summer. When ganahan with cold water, we fill in the water here. Cold water ice and then ching 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 ching. Then there will be cold water. So let's continue, guys. So muna ang mga fish and chips today if we want fish and chips. And we've got some ice creams there. We've got fish fingers. Dili napile din ko siya, lisod na ko siya ikuan. Tawagan niya arranged. Mga chips diri, mga frozen stuff. Frozen vegetables na diri. Green beans. I love green beans. And frozen kani siya. Potato pie for like lunches ni Hailey. We just have chips and some peas. Perfect na siya sa lunches ni Hailey Rose. Daghan kini siya diri. Gusto lang ipuan. Basta, muna na. And then, napadere. Chuchu na mo. Kids. Ang bana, sige sa pang shopping. Di na mo makaon. Kanan. Ganit. Nga napadere peas. Diri, green peas. Unahan ko green peas sa mga sausages. And then, some frozen garlic. Kasakay. Ikuan na siya. Muna mo nagpantry na mo actually. Muna ako na siyang padakan pohon. Kay gamay ra kaayo di masud. Muna ang breakfast na mo. Mostly. Cheerios. Patangan na mo milk. Muna yung ganahan Hailey. Kani siya. Cheerios. Yang ganahan ni Mami. Kani. Lamay ka na siya. And then, namalit na dahil si Daddy yung mga Easter eggs. Yan. Oh, for now, ang famous na mga kinakaon nga Chris kay Doritos. I love Doritos. Daghan kay siyang gipang bahay na ako dito. Napa dito. Ba? And then, napa diri. Another Doritos. Another Doritos. Ito ni sa mga chips na Hailey. Delicious veggie sauce. Mana yung mga chips. Nakadali oh. Another crisp dito ni Daddy. Oh, daghan na eh. Ano mo matang mata mahirap kaon man. Ano mo mahirap kaon. There you go. Our sweets and some biscuits. Over there, what do we have there? Draco biscuits. And that. We've got custard cream, my favorite. Oreo. That one. And some bonbons. Some rich tea fingers. Hailey's favorite is rich tea biscuit. And we've got pan of chocolate. And we've got some wagon wheels here. That's still chocolate here. And these are the sweets. Marshmallows. Mama's favorite. We got the orange. Terry's chocolate orange. Mama's favorite here as well is Belvita. Put it in here. And Mommy's favorite Jaffa cake. Siya sa bang sige na sa pamalik akong pagkaon. Ang ano mo tanong mo si Mother Dear. Napaday guys, Krispy Kreme, my favorite. Sa among mga prutas, amo lang ipagawas. So naami prutas diri. Apples. And then mango. Woohoo! Tiger bread. Mauna siya guys ang among what's in our fridge, our freezer, and our cupboard. So, mauna na siya. Request ni siya sa akong mama. So, mama, if you're watching, and one day you come here, umukhaon kag maayo. That was it guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed this one, Hailey. Sa atong shopping, no? Ang among meat, naara mong meat. Nasa sa luyo lang. What one do you like it? What do you mean?
That one.
Okay, can you say goodbye to everyone now? Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please click like, comment, and subscribe to show support. Thank you, everyone. Can you say mwah? Look at the camera. Mwah. Here, look here. Go.